sweet roasted coconut chickpea flour toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the toast recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes, one of the most different of the bread recipes. Today we are going to make coconut chickpea flour toast sandwich. The ingredients are 100 grams of unrefined brown sugar and 100 grams of grated coconut. Heat the pan and pour in 15 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Spread the clarified butter in the pan. Let it get heated. Now put in the grated coconut, salt the grated coconut, salt cabbage, keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute. Now put in the unrefined sugar or jaggery. Salt and mix. Salt and mix that a bit. Thoroughly mix. Keep on sauteing. Now take off the flame and let this mixture cool. Now take 6 slices of bread. From this, take 1 slice. Apply the coconut unrefined sugar mixture onto the bread. Apply thoroughly. Now put another slice of bread on top and press to make the sandwich. Keep it aside. Take the next slice and repeat the procedure by applying the coconut sugar mixture. Do this until all the sandwiches are made. Now take 100 grams of chickpea flour, pour in 75 ml of water. Mix thoroughly so that there are no lumps in the mixture. Keep on mixing. Put in 2 spoons of sugar. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Until we get a uniform smooth batter. Pan. Pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Now dip the sandwich in the chickpea flour mixture. And put the sandwich onto the pan. Move the sandwich around in the pan so that it does not stick. Now turn it over to the other side. turn it over. And let it cook. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Now dip in the next sandwich and repeat the procedure. Put it in the pan and let it cook. Do this until all the sandwiches are nicely cooked. This is the final sweet roasted coconut chickpea flour toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet recipes and one of the most unique of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes and one of the most nutritious of the bread recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes, one of the most different of the sandwich recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.